Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A, and I'm gonna show you a few codes you can use on this device. Let's start by opening the phone app. To do it, tap this icon right here. Now we can enter the first code, which is asterisk hash 64663 hash asterisk, and this code opens the QC test menu. Here you can test the hardware on your phone. As you can see, we have like whole list right here. For example, we can test the LED. Let's tap on it. Now the screen started to flash. That means the backlight is being tested. So as you can see, it's working. So let's tap on right here. Now this notification LED is blinking. That means that the power light is working. Let's tap on it. And finally, the torch behind our phone, the LED, is turned on. So let's tap on white flashlight. And since everything passed, let's tap on pass. Now we can test the screen, touch screen I mean, like that. Oh, only this, like this. Like this. Oh, my bad. And like this. Now let's go back. This is testing the screen, I believe. Yes. And let's go back here. And as you can see, we tested a few things: LED, touch panel, and LCM. And you can test, many things right here. Okay, let's close this and enter another code, which is asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. And this code opens the testing menu. Here we have options like phone information 1, phone information 2, and Wi-Fi information. Let's tap on phone information 1. Here we have some information about our phone. We can run the ping test if you want. You can also tap on more right here. And you have options like view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, view service dialing numbers, IMS service status, and enable data connection. Okay, let's go back, tap on phone information 2, and we have basically same menu, but I don't know why, but it's called 2. And at the bottom we have Wi-Fi information. Here we have options like Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, and Wi-Fi status. Let's tap on Wi-Fi API. Here we have disable network, disconnect, enable network, disconnect configured networks. Get configured networks, and get connection info. Okay. Below we have Wi-Fi config. Here we can check the information about the configured networks. And below we have Wi-Fi status. And here we can check the status of our Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's close this menu and enter another code, which is asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. And this code opens the calendar info menu. Here you can check the events on your calendar, basically display the birthday and the local events. You can just check it right here. Okay, let's go back and enter the last code, which is asterisk hash 06 hash. And this code opens the mobile equipment identification menu, and here you can check the email numbers of your phone. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.